your resin get too hot and crack? Well, let's look at what went wrong. Hi, I'm Rob and welcome to the Craft Resin channel. So I've been using resin for many years and in that time have experienced several projects that have overheated and cracked, much like this one. But why does it happen? It's super frustrating, especially when you're first starting out, so let's take a closer look. The main reason for resin overheating is pouring too much resin at once. When resin cures, it creates heat. If you pour a thick layer, that heat gets trapped, making the reaction speed up even more. This can cause cracks, bubbles, or even burning. Always check the instructions on your resin to see the recommended pour depth. If you need to go thicker, pour in layers, letting each one cure before adding more. This keeps the heat under control and gives you a smooth finish. The wrong mixing ratio will also cause issues. Adding extra hardener won't improve the curing process, it will just throw off the balance and cause issues. Stick to the exact measurements and mix well. Temperature matters too. Craft resin works best at 22 to 25 degrees centigrade. If it's too hot, it can cure too fast, which can also lead to overheating. If it's too cold, the resin gets thick and it becomes hard to mix. Overheating can also happen if you use a torch too aggressively to remove bubbles, causing the resin to cure too quickly or even scorch. To avoid this, work in a temperature controlled space. Keep your resin warm and be mindful when using a torch. So follow these tips and get perfect resin results every single time. If this video was helpful, give us a like, and if you've had a project overheat, let us know in the comments.